Hey everybody, it's Gary here, live in the AI wellness universe. Today we are looking at an amazing app for wellness entrepreneurs, which is the business coaching app. So this app's pretty cool. You can ask any questions and get awesome information. And for instance, here we asked about the importance of project management. And as you can see, you get great detailed information. I mean, this really breaks it down for you. Importance of project management, structured planning, risk management, resource optimization. As you can see, it goes on and on. 60-day project manager proficiency checklist, foundation skill, knowledge enhancement. I mean, there's so much here. This will keep you busy for a minute. Best ways to sell a YouTube video as a piece of content. That's amazing. We all need that. So there you go. Pretty simple, straightforward. I think this app is pretty self-explanatory. So just come in and ask the questions you have and you'll get detailed answers back. And hopefully this helps you out. Till next time, take care.